I got some food, got something to drink. I'm going to show you the grain pattern issue that I spotted earlier. Okay, I saw a table. The table was built so nice, very high quality. Okay, I've drawn 3 planks here. I think it was actually, here, let's go ahead and make 4 planks. Let's take off. And now the base was just a kind of your standard picnic table style. I'm not going to draw the base. Okay, the top looked really flat, but the grain looked like this. And what's going to happen over time, this is going to warp, especially if it's outside. What could have been done to prevent this? What I would have done, probably, if I had no other material to choose from, looking at the end view like this, you sawn them in half, you would have to glue the planks back together, and you'd want your grain pattern to look something like this. So that the natural tendency is for the board to battle itself straight. We'll keep it straight because you have tension on both sides. Final note, it would be best to find material that has a grain pattern that looks like this. And then glue it like this. And keep alternating that way.